This video is sponsored by XGIMI, and this is the MoGo Pro. It doesn't seem like there's anything to set it apart from other little compact mini projectors. You got your 1080p resolution DLP projection. It's preloaded with Android TV, so you can install whatever Android apps you want. Power adapter included. Actually, kind of decent feeling little remote. The standout feature of the MoGo Pro, oh, actually, you've got a pretty good hint as to what's going on right now. Yes, my friends, it's not plugged in and it's turned on. This puppy has a 10,400 milliamp hour battery integrated into it that XGIMI claims will give you 2 hours of video time and up to 5 hours of music. So not only does it have automatic vertical and horizontal keystone, it's correcting for the angle that I'm holding it at right now, but look at that autofocus. You move it around and it goes, oh, I moved, that's not good. It goes and throws the image up and blurs it, sharpens, blurs, sharp, boom. It actually works shockingly well. So it's just using a simple little camera built into the front of the unit to make sure that the image is sharp. I can't believe that that's not just like standard at this point. We're gonna take it upstairs and let the kids play around with it in their room, which I have intentionally darkened. Before we do that though, we've got HDMI in if you don't want to use the built-in Android TV. You got an audio jack, USB, and then you got your power in jack for charging the device, as well as, I actually don't know what this button does. Remember friends, always push the red button. Oh, that's the power button. On the top, we've got play pause, as well as volume up and volume down, and then on the bottom, we've got a simple threaded mount if you want to throw it on a light stand or something like that. All right, let's get out of here. The problem with most of these portable projectors is that they're not good enough to be your actual daily driver home theater, and they're not really portable because they need to be plugged into the wall. So that's where this one gets kind of magic for me. I'm looking at it going, okay, so ever since we combined the two kids' rooms in our house, we actually took down that cool roll down projector thing that we had in the ceiling above the bunk bed. If all I have to do is power up the projector and all of a sudden we're good to go, well, that's pretty compelling, isn't it? So here's the autofocus feature that I was talking about before. You can see it a little bit better now. Because it's just running Android TV, you've got this familiar interface. You got your YouTube, your Google Play Music, and of course you can install your own apps. I did run into some challenges when it came to installing the Netflix app. It's a whole thing. If it's not a Netflix certified device, you have to go find like this ancient APK and sideload it. Once you do get it working, the experience is still not perfect. So instead of the arrows jumping between movies, you actually get this weird cursor. It kind of works like that, but at least it's usable. Oh, and it won't do even full 1080p resolution if I recall correctly. It looks all right though. It looks all right. Of course, if you're after anything but Netflix, it's a matter of just installing it from the App Store. So this is running on my Plex server. The whole process took about, well, 30 seconds plus signing into Plex. Bomb Squad. Thank you. And of course, gaming too. Just connect a controller either via USB or via Bluetooth and you're off to the races. Well, it won't make your kids agree, but it might make them quiet. So thanks again to XGIMI for sponsoring this unboxing and first look. And don't forget to subscribe to Short Circuit. See you in the next one.
Daddy, what movie's good for you to watch?
You guys have to agree. You guys pick something. Movie or Wildcrats?
Movie. Wildcrats.
Well, you can't just keep saying the same thing over and over again. You have to talk to each other, not to me.
Wildcrats.